Communications is critical to a variety of efforts across the Institute and within the IT community. Units across campus share their unique stories, resources, or services through the Georgia Tech lens by adhering to Institute brand standards. All branding and messaging standards are developed centrally by Institute Communications and distributed across Georgia Tech to unit communications teams like IT Marketing and Communications. Our team exists to strengthen the organizational influence and client engagement for the Office of Information Technology and the IT community by leveraging compelling marketing and communications projects. We work on your behalf to promote the strategic vision, mission, and values of information technology at Georgia Tech to our key stakeholders and audiences while consistently reinforcing Institute brand standards. We do this by managing and executing communications requests submitted by IT professionals like you. A communications request begins with a need for messaging, awareness, and/or promotion surrounding an IT project or initiative, except when there's an IT issue or crisis. The requests are then funneled into two categories: communications campaigns or communications jobs. A communications campaign is a package of promotional, informational, or marketing materials and/or collateral, called tactics, usually tied to a project or major initiative. On the other hand, a communications job is a promotional, informational, and/or marketing tool that is not tied to a communications campaign. There are some key differences between a communications campaign and a communications job. Communications campaigns require messaging strategy for projects or initiatives, planning, audience definition, success benchmarking, implementation, and/or delivery. A communications job includes the development of promotional information or marketing pieces for distribution and does not require long-term strategy development and implementation. Before submitting a request, it is important the information you submit is accurate, and you've made the appropriate considerations necessary for us to communicate to your audience by the necessary deadlines. You and your team should ask yourself, is our message newsworthy or timely? What is the value to the audience we are targeting? Making these considerations before submitting your request helps us to deliver effective, meaningful, and accurate communications together. To learn more about our process, register to attend an IT Marketing and Communications workshop.